Kann man den Leuchtturm sogar sehen.
11907, Horizon 474.
Local approach, good afternoon, Lufthansa 454 Super, approaching 1000. Information Charlie.
Auf der linken Seite.
Jetzt die Golden Gate, Alcatraz und Downtown San Francisco. Left side, Golden Gate, Alcatraz Island and Downtown San Francisco.
Richtig schick. So ist ganz gut.
Lufthansa 454 Super, reduce speed to 230.
Lufthansa 454 reducing speed to 230.
Lufthansa 454 Heavy, reduce speed to 210, then descend and maintain 6000.
Lufthansa 454 reducing speed to 10, descending 6000.
Lufthansa 454 Heavy, contact North approach 135.65, good day.
135.65 Lufthansa 454. 2000.
Jo.
Galley 6855, thanks for your help, contact tower 120.5, good day.
120.5, any days, good, 6855.
Kannst aufräumen, SFO und Manual raus und...
Dann macht das doch hier.
NorCal Horizon 187, leveling 5000, crossing Woodside 110 after Woodside.
Star.
Well,
Lufthansa 454 Super, descend and maintain 4000, turn left heading 010.
Lufthansa 454 heading 010, leaving 6.
4000 Blue.
Yep. 1000.
Checked.
Lufthansa 454 Super, 3 miles from Dumba, turn left heading 310, cross Dumba at or above 4000, clear ILS, runway 28 right approach. 840, maintain middle separation, turn left heading 360.
And visual left 360.
Turn left heading 040.
Flaps 3.
Flaps 3.
One zero, runway 28 left, localize.
3000 Fuß ins Fenster. Flaps full.
Flaps full.
Lufthansa 454 Super, reduce final approach speed and contact tower 120.5, take care.
Lufthansa 454 reducing final approach, tower 28.5. Jump.
4, runway 1 right, cleared for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 1 right, Redwood 342.
Checked.
Checked.
American 431, left turn, ground 28.
Da rollen gerade 2 noch zum Start.
Inside, 1 to go.
The 1 to golf, maintain visual separation with the 737.
Okay, 1 to go.
200.
Southwest 433,
Minimum.
south off your left is
Continue.
Cardinal, has you in sight, maintaining visual separation, contact NorCal departure.
Going to departure, we're looking for Cardinal, Southwest 433, yeah.
100. $50, 40, 30, 20, retard, 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 retard.
Spoilers. Reverse green. BTV.
36, turn 28 left, line up and wait, traffic go across downfield and depart north.
Sorry, interrupted by the frequency.
American 436, runway 128 left, line up and wait, traffic go depart.
Die Strecke kennen wir.
Ja. Eigentlich geradeaus.
Ja.
Nur die stehen da.
Montags ist Waschtag bei uns und wir lassen jetzt gerade das Flugzeug waschen.
Die stehen da ein bisschen falsch.
Hey, da steht auch einer. Oh, das geht nicht anders.
We usually have our aircraft cleaned on Mondays.
Oh Mann, oh Mann, oh Mann.
Engines available.
Wunderbar.
Lufthansa 454 Super, clear the Golf 101.
Lufthansa 454, clear
United
Golf
885
101.
Heavy, hold short of runway 1 left on Foxtrot. Monitor the tower, 120.5.
Right side is clear.
Citation Golf Juliet Charlie, hold short of taxiway Echo. Redwood 956 San Francisco ground, push back your discretion to spot 5 Alpha.
Our discretion is spot 5 Alpha, Redwood 956.
That was 6840 San Francisco ground taxi via Kilo Alpha to the ramp.
Kilo Alpha to the ramp for 6840.
Ground Skywest 6464 is off at 28 left for gate 76 Bravo.
That was 6464 San Francisco ground taxi via Bravo Kilo Alpha to the ramp.
Bravo Kilo Alpha to the ramp. Skywest 6464.
Shuttle 2966 San Francisco ground taxi via Alpha to the ramp.
Via Alpha, Shuttle 2966.
Parking, external lights.
Off.
Parking brake.
Ist noch on.
Checklist completed.
Dankeschön.
Ground Cockpit.
Good afternoon. Or good morning, rather.
Hallo, moin. Die Chocks werden rangesetzt, das dauert noch einen kleinen Moment.
Ja, okay, Dankeschön. Wir haben hier beim Flieger nix.
Das ist gut zu hören. Alles klar, bis gleich.
Wir machen ja nichts kaputt.
Danke.